In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Galaxy A37 or the A57 to your Wi-Fi network. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection Settings, just tap on Wi-Fi, and you will open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Now you can either do that, or you can just open the Quick Settings, and over here you will find the option for Wi-Fi. Now just tap and hold on this option, then tap on Details, and you'll land on the Wi-Fi page. Now over here, just ensure that the toggle for Wi-Fi is turned on. Now if you have a QR code which you want to scan to connect to the Wi-Fi network, just tap on the QR code icon over here and scan the QR code using the camera of your Samsung phone. Or you can just look for the signal of your Wi-Fi network from the list over here. And once you find it, then just tap on it, and in this section just enter the password of your Wi-Fi. After you enter the password of the Wi-Fi network, then just tap on Connect, and you will connect your Samsung phone to your Wi-Fi network, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.